Oh, this hurts like hell. Oh. Hey, what's up, bro? What's going on? I'm trying to trigger point my T-bands. Someone told me that it's a great method to relieve knee pain. You can't trigger point the IT bands and expect to get pain relief around the knee. What do you mean I can't trigger point the IT bands? It's a muscle like any other. It stretches. So if I trigger point it or if I foam roll it, it's essentially going to release my knee pain, right? Did you know that the IT band is actually a tendon? My cat knows this. All you need to do is trigger point the TFL muscle. All you need to find is the ASIS or the bony landmark on the front of your pelvis. You also need to find the great trochanter, which is on the side of your hip there. I'm going to literally use the ball and apply tension directly into the tissue. I think this is complete nonsense, but okay, what the hell? Let's do it. Oh wow, this actually feels really good. I can feel the pain traveling all the way down to the outside of my knee. Brad, you're a genius.